What was the last topic? Yes, is number system conversions done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that ones complements, two complements. Yes.
Okay, ones complement and two's complement is also done. What about binary addition?
No, sir. Wait.
Okay, so we have to start from binary arithmetic. So binary addition. So following are the four most basic cases of binary addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Next 1 plus 1. So generally 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Now how will you write 2 in terms of binary? What is the binary equivalent of decimal 2?
1
0, sir.
0 1 0.
It will be 1 0. So 1 0 is our answer. So this should be written as 1 0. But make a note here. This 1 is called as C. Here C stands for carry, and this is called as S, which is nothing but sum. So C is equal to carry, S is equal to sum. So only thing you need to remember is this one. Suppose if I take like this 1 plus 1 plus 1, what is the equivalent? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.
1 1.
In terms of binary, it is 1 1. Correct.
1 1 0.
Only 1 1. If you are still having doubt, you can go with this concept. Okay, so equivalent of 3 is 1 1. Make a note of these 2 points, which are very important.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Perform addition. So the given question is
Sir, we have
1
done
0.
this topic.
Is it done? Okay, let me explain once again. So here 1 plus 1 is called as 1 0. Next 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 0.
3
And
1
3
1.
1 1. So this should be our answer. So double 1 followed by 4 zeros. This is the final answer. Double 1 followed by 4 zeros. So the basic binary addition. Next, if you are interested, please note down this question and try to tell me the answer. (22) are there. Okay. What's the answer? 1101.101 plus 111.011. So here 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Here 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Triple 1 means
double 1.
triple 1 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Triple 1
0.
means
1 0 1 double
1
0.
1 1 1.
Please confirm whether this is right or wrong.
Correct, sir.
Correct,
So
sir.
1 0 101 point triple 0. 1 0 101 point triple 0. Right. Next. Please make a note of these questions. Perform binary addition of the following. So in the next class, you have to tell me the answers for this. Please just note down the questions.
Yes, sir.
Done? Is it done? Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next concept is binary subtraction. So here the important point to note is here 0 minus 0 is 0 0. So earlier for addition, what was the concept? For 0 plus 0 we got as 0. For 0 plus 1 it was 1. And for 1 plus 0 it is 1. And for 1 plus 1 it is 1 0. So there we have treated this bit as carry, this bit as sum. Now here it is called as difference and borrow in terms of binary subtraction. So here the key point is this one. 0 minus 1 is written as 1 1. Can anyone tell me why I wrote here as 1 1? Any idea?
Signed and unsigned.
Okay, so how will you represent negative numbers?
One's complement.
First
According to the
concept is sign.
complement and sign method, sir.
Sign
sign
magnitude
magnitude.
form is 1. Next is 1's complement. Next one is 2's complement. But generally, we will make use of 2's complement. Why? Can anyone tell me the reason? I've shared the notes also. Why 2's complement is best compared to sign magnitude and 1's complement? So if you observe, for sign magnitude, for plus 0 and for minus 0, different representation will be there. And here also for plus 0 and minus 0, different representation will be there. But here there is no concept of plus 0. So in real life, is there any concept of plus 0 or minus 0?
Not there, sir. No.
No, right?
No, sir.
Only 0, single variable, which is 0. So that's the advantage with 2's complement. So only the representation will be same, whether it might be positive or negative in case of 2's complement. So that's the advantage with this. So that's the reason if you want to represent any negative number, we shall use 2's complement. So now I'll give you one random question. You have to tell me the 2's complement of it. Tell me the 2's complement of minus 4. You can use either the shortcut method or else first write the positive number followed by 1's complement or else add one to it. So generally what you know, 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. And what is the shortcut way of solving this? Minus 4. 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, this is 4 and 8. Always make a note that the power, the last power should be greater than the given question, irrespective of sign. So for this, I'll take as minus. Now here, minus 8 plus 4. How much? Minus 8 plus 4?
4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4, sir. Minus 4. Minus 4.
1100,
So right
sir.
here, it should be 0, 0. So the equivalent of minus 4 in terms of what? 2's complement or 1's complement? In terms of 2's complement is 1, 1, 0, 0. Similarly, you tell me for minus 1 now, in terms of 2's complement. You can use this trick. 2
0,
power
0,
1 0,
minus
sir.
1,
1 0.
0, 0, 1, 0.
It is 1, 1. Or else suppose if you are getting confused with this, first you write the equivalent of plus 1. So plus is denoted with 0 or 1?
1, sir. 1.
Plus
No, sorry, 0. Plus is
0.
unit 0.
Negative
0,
with
sir,
1.
0.
So here plus I am indicating with 0. And what is the equivalent of 1?
1, sir.
1 only, 0, 1. Next, take 1's complement of it. 1's complement means changing zeros to 1s and 1s to zeros. So 0, 1 means here it will be 1, 0. Next, for 1's complement, add 1. Means I'm adding 1 here. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1. So 1, 1 is the equivalent of what? Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now, we shall do minus 4 also using the same method if you are getting confused. So, minus 4. So, in order to get minus 4, first you have to take plus 4. What is the equivalent of 4? 1, 0, 0. Yes or no? 4 in terms of binary.
Yes, sir. 1 0 0.
So, 1, 0, 0 is the equivalent. Here, plus symbol is there. So, what should I place here? 0 or 1? Plus.
Sir, 0, 0. 0 plus means
Right.
0.
So, here it will be 0. Next, take 1's complement of this.
1
This is
0
1.
1 1.
Okay, 1, 0, 1, 1. Next, add 1 to it. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Again, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. This one will be 1. This is 1. So, kindly check and tell me whether this is right or wrong.
Yes, sir. Right only, sir.
So, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. This should be 0, 0.
Sir.
This is in terms of shortcut. Directly
Why
we
we
wrote
took
this.
4 bits?
Yes.
Why we took 4 bits?
Where? In first case or second case?
First case 0 1 0 0.
Okay. So, how will you take the equivalent of 4? What is the binary equivalent of 4? Means you need to
1 0
convert
0.
4 in terms of binary. So it is 1 0 0. Okay. So 3 bits it is done. Now why I am placing 0 here means, as I've told you in terms of sign magnitude form, For plus, it should be indicated with 0 sign bit, and for minus bit, it will be 1.
Indicated with 1.
1. This is nothing but sign bit indication. Okay, here as the given question is plus 4, so that's the reason I'm taking 0 here. Now similarly, you tell me for minus 21. Minus 21 2's complement. So in order to get that one, first you have to take plus 21 and perform 1's complement and 2's complement. So what is the equivalent of 21?
1
21.
0 1 0.
1 0 1 0. Correct or wrong? 5 bits will be there. 2 power 0 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 16 plus 4 is 20.
1 0 1 0 1.
So it should be 1 0 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 0 1. And what about sign bit here? It should be 0 or 1?
0, sir. For plus
Sign bit
21.
should be 0. Next, take 1's complement. So 1 0 1 0 1 0.
0 1 0 double 1.
Right. In order to get 2's complement, add 1 here directly to the least significant bit. So it will be 1 0 1 0 double 1. This is your 2's complement of what? This one, minus 21.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me the equivalent of 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. So what is the 2's complement of minus 1? It is 1 1. So that's the reason I wrote here as 1 1. Rest all these are very easy. 0 minus 0 is 0 0 only. Here 1 minus 0 means 1. Difference is 1. Borrow is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0 0. And always make a note. This is very important point. Suppose if I take a plus b, here a is called as augend and b is called as addend. Okay, augend and addend. Suppose if it is a minus b, here a is called as minuend and b is called as subtrahend. Make a note of these 2 points. If it is a plus b, a is called as augend, b is called as addend. If it is a minus b, it is minuend and subtrahend. Now what about this one, a into b? Here a is called as multiplicand, b is called as multiplier. Now can anyone tell me for division now? I'll give some random case.
Divide and divide.
So 2, 10, 5.
Dividend divide.
Which is dividend, which is
Divisor.
divisor?
2 is a divisor.
Okay, 2 is divisor. 10
10
is
is a dividend.
Dividend.
is dividend. 5 is
Quotient.
quotient. 0 is
Remainder.
remainder. So you need to be familiar with this terminology. If it is a plus b, a minus b, a into b, or else a division case. Now, so before going to this, tell me the answer for 9 minus 4. Do it in terms of binary and tell me. 9 minus 4 in terms of binary. Take the binary equivalent of 9, binary equivalent of 4 and try to perform subtraction. So equivalent of 9 is 1 0 0
0.
1.
0 0 1.
4 is
4 is
0
0
1.
1 0 0.
Next, perform subtraction. 1 minus
0
0 is
is
1. 0.
0
Here
0
0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means
1.
1 1.
or else. In the general method, you can take like this also, borrow. Take borrow here. So that
1
this
0 1
becomes
sir, answer.
1 0. This will be 0. Here 1 0. 1 0 means it is 2. Okay. So equivalent of 2 is written as 1 0. So 2 minus 1, how much?
1.
2 minus 1 is
1.
1. This will be 0. So 9 minus 4 should be 5. So is this the equivalent of 5? Can anyone please confirm?
Right, 1
So
0 1
once
sir.
again,
Yes,
0
sir.
1 0. Once again.
Sir, here how to take the borrow certain you once a
Okay,
bit.
this is very important. Borrow case only. 9 minus 4. So 9 is nothing but 1 0 0 1. 4 is 0 1 0 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, this is 0. So here, as I can't do 0 minus 1, so I'm taking borrow, so that this will be 1, 0. And this will be 0. Clear till here? I'm taking borrow from left hand side bits. Okay? 1, 0. 1, 0 means equivalent is 1, 0. What is equivalent? So this is nothing but 2. So 2 minus 1 is how much?
1.
2 minus 1 is 1.
So this is 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is the equivalent of 5. 8, 4, 2, 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is correct. Similarly, you try for one more problem. So perform for 21 minus 10 in terms of binary. So equivalent of 21 is 16 plus 4 is 20, 21. Next, equivalent of 10. 10 will be 8 plus 2, it is 10. Try to perform subtraction and tell me the answer. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now here I have to take borrow. So I'll take borrow from here so that this will be 1, 0. This will be 0.
0
1
1
0
0 1
1 0 1 1.
is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 0. Here you can take borrow so that this changes to 1 0. This will be 0. So 1 0 is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 0. Please confirm, right or wrong?
1 0 1 1.
Yes, sir.
1 0 1 1, right? Correct. So still if you're having doubt, 21 minus 10 is 11. So 11 in terms of binary. 2 5 is 10, remainder is 1. 2 into 2 is 4, remainder will be 1. 2 into 1 is 2, remainder is 0. So our answer should be 1 0 1 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me the answer for this one. This is a bit complex. Perform 1010.010 minus 111.111. Tell me the answer. More number of borrows will be there here. What's the answer? So the given question is 1010.010. Here this is 111.111. Perform subtraction. So 0 minus 1 I can't do, so I'm taking borrow. So that this will be 10, this will be
1
0. 1 0 is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1?
2. 1.
2 minus
1.
1 is 1. Next 0 minus 1 I can't do here. So I have to take borrow from here. So this will change to 1 0. This will change to 0. Now this is nothing but 2. From this 2 if I take borrow here, this one will become 1 0. This will become 1. Okay, this is nothing but 2. From 2 if I take borrow here, this becomes 1 0. This becomes 1. So this is nothing but 2. So 2 minus 1, how much?
1.
So 2 minus 1 is 1. Next
1
here,
minus 1 is 0.
1 minus
0.
1 is 0. Okay.
1 minus
Next.
1 is 0.
1 minus 1 is 0. Next,
Again,
0
we
minus
have to take borrow.
correct. Again, I have to take borrow. So here, if I take borrow, this one will be 0. This is 1 0. So 1 0 is nothing but 2. So from 2, if I take borrow here, this will become 1 0. This will become 1.
1.
So which is nothing but 2. So 2 minus 1, how much?
1.
1. Next.
1 minus 1 is 0.
0.
Next
This
0.
will be 0. So our answer is 0010.011. Did anyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
0010.011. 0010.011 is the answer. So this is all about subtraction. Next, please make a note of these questions and tell me the answers in the next class.
Okay, sir.
So you need to solve more number of problems so that you'll be familiar with the subject.
Sir, this subject total we have only conversion, sir.
No. So if you know the conversions, you will understand the rest of the topics, or else you can't understand anything. That's the reason I'm stressing more on this basic conversions. So the next topics will look something like this. I'll show you the basic topics. So actual topics start from here. So again, all the basic
Certificates.
we need to understand. So here again the same concept. 0 into 0, what will be the answer? Suppose if it is OR gate, we need to perform addition plus operation. This is nothing but inversion. So again, everything
To
will be
do
based on zeros and
programs,
ones.
sir.
Yeah, tell me.
We have to do programs.
Yeah, programs is also there, which is in unit number 3 and 4. So if you don't know the theory, you can't read the code here. And in order to understand the theory, the basic conversions you need to be familiar. So that's the reason I'm making you to solve more number of problems. So once if you are perfect with this basic conversions, then we can finish more number of topics easily. Then only you will understand the subject. Okay, done. So we are done with binary subtraction. So next one, binary multiplication.
Explain the previous problem once again.
Previous problem, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who is this? May I know your name?
Samira.
Right. Okay. So binary subtraction. So the given question is 1010.010. Here this is 111.111. So I have to perform subtraction here. So 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 means we can't do. So I will take borrow from leftmost bits. So from here, if I take borrow, this will be 1 0 and this will change to 0. So what is the equivalent of 1 0?
2, sir.
1 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, can I perform 0 minus 1 operation here?
No, sir.
No. So what I have to do?
Borrow.
So I'll take borrow from here so that this becomes 1 0. This will change to 0. Now I want borrow here. So I'll take from here again. So this is nothing but 2. If I take borrow, this one will be 1 0. This will be 1. So here 1 0 is nothing but 2. So from 2 if I take borrow, this will be 1 0. This will be 1. So 1 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1, how much?
1.
1. Next, 1 minus 1.
0.
0. Next, here 1 minus 1.
0, sir.
0. So 0 minus 1 can I do here again?
Again borrow, sir, from
Borrow,
last
sir.
one.
Borrow. I'll take borrow so that this will change to 0. This one will change to 1 0. So 1 0 is nothing but 2. So from 2 if I take borrow, this one will be 1 0. This will be 1. So what is 1 0? It is 2.
2, sir.
So 2 minus 1.
1.
1.
Next 1 minus 1.
0.
0.
0. This will be 0. This should be the answer. So you need to solve more number of problems. Again, I'll share the PDF like number systems. You need to solve those problems also. Next, multiplication. In this again the same concept, the sign change. So 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. And here the important terminology which you need to remember is, here A is called as multiplicand, B is called as multiplier.
Multiplier.
So the general basic multiplication which you already know. So here this is nothing but multiplication. So perform 1001 into 1000 and tell me the answer. 1001 into 1000. So 0 into 1 in this manner. 0 into 1 followed by all this, the general multiplication
Zero.
which we do. So all 4 zeros will be there. Next into again with
all
this 0,
four is-
again 4 zeros only. Here also
Again
same.
4 zeros.
Next
1 into 1 is 1.
1.
1
Next.
into 0 is 0. 1 into
Sir,
0
1
is 0. 1
triple
into
0,
1
1
is
double.
Next here I need to perform addition. So this is 0, 0,
0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1.
1. Suppose in order to get confirmation, 1001 in terms of decimal is how much? 1001
9,
in
Nine,
terms
sir.
of 9. 1000 means
8.
8.
8. 9 into 8,
72.
72. So convert 72 which is in decimal into binary and tell me the answer. 72 into
Same,
binary.
sir. Same we will get.
Same.
Okay, let me confirm. 200, 228.
100, 100.
Correct, sir.
Okay.
Who said wrong?
Your students are unable to understand this one also, so that's the reason I'm solving it again. So 100, 1000. So this is correct. In this manner, you can solve a number of problems. This is all about binary multiplication. Division we shall see later. So what is ones complement?
One's
complement
is
0 is converted
It
to
is
1,
on Friday.
is converted to 0. Means simply we are doing inversion. See
yes,
this
sir.
one. The ones complement of a number is obtained by simply complementing each bit of the number, that is by changing all zeros to ones and all ones to zeros. The system is called as ones complement because the number can be subtracted from 1 to obtain result. Can anyone explain the second point? I'll give one example. You need to explain 1 0 1 0. What is the ones complement of this?
0, 1,
0,
0, 1.
1, 0,
0,
1.
1.
Okay, to 0 1 0 1. Now according to the second point, so I can take like this also. Like I'll take 4 ones and I'll subtract the given question. So 1 0 1 0. Now can anyone perform the subtraction and tell me the answer? 1 minus 0 is
1,
1.
0 is 1.
This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. So am I getting same answer or different?
Same answer.
Same.
Same answer. So this concept is also okay, or else simply you can invert zeros and ones. So mostly this is very easy to solve.
Easy.
So this is about ones complement. Next, ones complement arithmetic. So here I have to perform subtraction by using ones complement. So till now what I did, if I take like this 9 minus 8, simply I have performed the subtraction and I have told you the answer as 1. Now here it should be performed using addition. Means subtraction operation also we have to perform by using addition. That is something different. So read this statement. Subtraction using ones complement. In ones complement subtraction, add the ones complement of the subtrahend to the minuend. So if I take a minus b, which one is minuend and which one is subtrahend?
A is minuend. B is
Okay, a is minuend, b is subtrahend. So we need to take ones complement of subtrahend and we need to add it to minuend. If there is carry out, means if any carry is generated, bring that carry around and add it to the least significant bit. Next, look at the most significant bit sign. Suppose if it is 0, the result is positive and it is in truth binary form. If it is 1, it is negative. If it is 1, it is negative, and it is something wrong result. So for this again we have to perform ones complement of the result. Okay, simply you need to remember this statement so that easily you can solve the problems. So first step is we need to perform ones complement of the subtrahend and add it to the minuend, and suppose if there is any carry generated, add it to the least significant bit. After that you check the most significant bit sign, means If it is 0, the result is positive. If it is 1, the result is negative. If your result is negative, then you have to perform 1's complement to the result. Now, you'll get clarity if you solve some problems based on this statement. So, can anyone represent minus 99 in 8-bit 1's complement form and tell me the answer? I want 1's complement of minus 99. So, you can solve something like this also if you want. Take equivalent of plus 99, and for that you can perform 1's complement so that you will get the result. Please tell me the answer. First you tell me the equivalent of plus 99. So here make a note, plus means 0, minus means 1. First tell me the equivalent of 99, which contains sign bit followed by magnitude bit.
Zero, 1, 0, 0, 1.
1 0 0 0 1 1.
0, 1, 0, 0, 1.
So how many bits are there? So can I tell like this, 64 plus 32 how much?
0 0 0 1 1.
96. 96.
60, 90,
0
96,
0 0 1
97,
0,
98,
0,
90.
0, 1, 1.
Okay. So double one,
Yes, sir.
0 0 0 1 1. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how many bits it should be there?
8
8 bits.
So how many bits are there here?
Sir, wrong.
7
0 1 1 0 0 1 1.
0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay,
9
however
1
anything
0.
is right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 bit is done. Now perform 1's complement to this.
1, 0, 0,
1 0
1,
0
1,
0
1, 0, 0.
1 0.
0. Okay, so this is nothing but minus 99. Similarly, you do for plus 77.25 and tell me the result in terms of 1's complement. So 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 is the answer, correct. Minus
Sir, for
99 equal.
99, we can do by LCM, right, sir?
Yeah,
So that,
LCM method also is okay. But once if you are familiar, you can go with this trick directly. You can write based on positional weights also.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So convert 77.25 into binary and tell me the answer. So it contains how many parts? What is this 77 called? 77 is called as
Integral part.
integer. This is called as
Decimal.
Decimal.
fraction or decimal.
Action.
So equivalent of plus 77.25 is this one. And take 1's complement of this so that this will be the result. So once if your conversion concepts are perfect, you can solve any problem. Next, subtract 14 from 25 using 8-bit 1's complement arithmetic. So perform this and tell me. So this should be the concept. So what you read in the previous statement, you have to take 1's complement of the subtrahend and add it to the minuend. Means for this 1's complement you need to take and you need to add it with 25. Okay, suppose if you are getting any carry, add that carry to least significant bit and check most significant bit sign. Means if MSB is 0, the result is positive. If MSB is 1, result is negative. If result is negative, for the result you have to perform 1's complement. So what is the equivalent of 25 in terms of 8-bit? It is 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1.
1 1 0 0.
Next, what is the 1's complement of minus 14? Means first you take for plus 14 and apply 1's complement. So what is the equivalent of plus 14? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it should be in terms of 8-bit. So you can add 4 zeros here. Why? Because it is positive number. Okay, so plus 14 is nothing but 4 zeros followed by 1110. Next, take 1's complement so that you'll get minus 14. So this will be 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. So 1's complement of minus 14 is 4 ones followed by 0001. So 4 ones followed by 0001. So I am adding 1's complement of what? Subtrahend or minuend?
Subtrahend.
Subtrahend to minuend.
Minuend.
So here I have to perform addition now. 1's complement of subtrahend to minuend. And tell me the result. 1 plus 1 is how much?
2, 0, 1.
0,
So
1.
carry 1, sum 0.
Zero.
Next, 1 plus 0 will be 1. This will be
Zero.
0. This is
Zero.
1.
1.
1 plus 1 is
0,
1, 0. Next,
Zero,
same
1.
story. 1, 0.
0, 1,
Carry
0,
1,
1.
sum 0. Next.
1, 0.
Okay.
Sir,
So
why
first
we
statement
added,
is, sorry.
sir, why we added sir both?
So why we are adding means generally in order to save the hardware. So suppose in order to perform addition, we need one kind of circuitry. So suppose for addition, this is one circuitry, and for subtraction, another circuitry is there. But my intention is I want to perform both addition as well as subtraction within a single adder circuit. So in that case, in order to save the hardware, I'll go for this concept.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are done with first statement, that is adding subtrahend to the minuend. Next, second point is if any carry is generated. So this is a carry generated. So if any carry is generated, add that carry to least significant bit. So least significant bit means this one. So here we need to add that one. So I'll take 1 here. Okay. I'm taking 1 here and I'll add. So what will be the result now?
0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1.
Okay, so we are done with first one, which is adding subtrahend to minuend, and second point is if there is any carry generated, add it to the least significant bit. It is also done. 2 points. Next, third one, check most significant bit. So this is most significant bit. Is there 0 or 1? It is 0. If it is 0,
Yes, sir.
the result is positive and it is in true
Positive.
binary form. Means this result is correct. Suppose here instead of this, if it is 1. If 1 is there, the result is negative and the answer is not correct. So again, we have to take 1's complement of the result. But in this case, it is not needed. Why? Because we are getting most significant bit as 0. So the result is correct.
जो तुम्हें करना इधर है
So go through this and let me know if you are having any doubts. So can anyone tell me what I did here?
जो तुम्हारा करना है वहाँ है बोला मैं कहाँ है तुम हाउ बोले
Roll
कहाँ
number
है?
43. Please be on mute. Yes, can anyone explain me once again? What are the statements did I follow here? Yes, rule number 5. Anyone who wants to explain this? What I am doing exactly here? Rule number 20. Rahul. Guys, are you there?
So
Yes, sir. We are there.
Yes, rule number 38.
first we are taking the binary form of 25, and next we are taking 1's complement of 14. Then we are subtracting them.
We are not subtracting, we are adding here. That's the difference.
We are adding.
Hmm.
We are adding them. We will get the result. Then MSB, we will remove the MSB and we will add it, and we will get the
Correct.
answer.
Okay. If most significant bit is 0,
Yeah, it is in true binary form. If it is if it is 1, we have to change it into 1's complement.
right, you are correct. So this is what we did here. So we have written the equivalent of 25 and 1's complement of 14, and we are performing addition here. Suppose if any extra carry is generated, we need to add that carry to least significant bit. So after performing this, we need to check last bit, which is nothing but most significant bit. If most significant bit is positive, it is in true binary form, and this is the correct answer. Suppose if here instead of 0, here if there is 1, then Yes, can anyone? If most significant bit is 1. Most significant bit is 1.
Complement.
It is negative, so we have to again perform 1's complement of result. So what is our result? This entire green colored text is our result. So this entire thing we have to write in terms of 1's complement form so that it will become our final answer. Next, solve this one. Add minus 25 to 14 using 8-bit 1's complement form. Add minus 25 to 14. So it is something like this. So 14 minus 25. So write the equivalent of this in terms of binary. Write 1's complement of this and try to add it and tell me the result. If any extra carry is generated, add it to the least significant bit. Then check MSB. If MSB is 0, our result is correct. If MSB is 1, our result is wrong. Means it is in negative format. So for that you have to take 1's complement of the result. Please try to solve and tell me the answer. Equivalent of 14. So positional weights are 8, 4, 2, 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is the equivalent of 14, but here the concept is we are writing it in terms of 8-bit. Next, what is the 1's complement of minus 25? So first you can take for plus 25. So plus 25 means, let me take in terms of positional weights. So it is 16. So 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. But here I want this in terms of 8-bit. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. So total it should be 8-bit size. Next, perform 1's complement to this so that you'll get minus 25. So this one will be 111, 00, 110. See here, 111, 00, 110. Now you try to add them. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. Here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is carry 1, sum 0. Next 1 plus 1 plus 1 is carry 1, sum 1. Next 1 plus 1 is carry 1, sum 0. Here this one will be 1 and here again 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Now can anyone tell me what I have to do? So we are done with first point.
Take
Adding 1's complement of subtrahend to minuend. Next, what is the second point? Is there any extra carry generated?
No, sir, no.
No.
Even though if no carry is generated, we need to check MSB. MSB is positive or negative?
Negative.
As MSB is 1,
Yes,
our
sir.
result is negative. So if our result is negative, what I have to do? I have to take 1's complement of the result. So take 1's complement of the result. So that one will be the final answer. So our final answer will be 4 zeros, 1 0, 1 1. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So simply if you understand the statements, it will be easy. So there is no carry. So the most significant bit is 1. So the result is negative and is in 1's complement form. So take 1's complement of the result. That one will be a final answer. So here important point to notice, after taking 1's complement of the result, you need to indicate minus sign for sure. This is one point everyone will miss. If most significant bit is 1, our result is negative. If our result is negative, we need to take 1's complement of the result and place 1. Okay, place minus sign. This is mandatory. So this is our result for this 1's complement is 4 zeros followed by 1 0 1 1 and equivalent is 8 4 2 1. So this will be 11. So for this you need to indicate one minus symbol. Next, note down this question and tomorrow you have to tell me the answer. Add minus 25 to minus 14 using 8-bit 1's complement form. Minus 25 to minus 14 like this. So minus 14 minus 25. So it is minus 14 minus 25. You have to perform this using 1's complement method and tell me the answer. So can anyone guess what is the method? Take 1's complement of this one, take 1's complement of minus 25. Try to add them. If any carry is generated, perform end around carry.
Add
Means to add it to the least significant bit. After that, check most significant bit. If most significant bit is 0, result is positive. If most significant bit is 1, result is negative. If our result is negative, for that result, we need to perform 1's complement. Done?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you go to the previous problem, sir?
This one.
This
Okay,
one,
man.
sir. So if the answer here is 0 MSB, minus 25 minus 14, here 1 is there, no, sir? 3 ones 0. So we are adding 1 now. We are taking 1 from there and we are adding here. If there is 0, what we should do?
If there is 0, no issues. Only if carry is generated only, then you will get 1 here, or else by default you won't get any answer here.
Same answer.
By default it will be 0. If any external carry is generated in this position, you will get as 1, or else till here only it will be your answer.
Okay.
Okay. So we are done with 1's complement, 2's complement followed by 1's complement arithmetic. So next we are left with 2's complement. What is 2's complement?
Add 1, sir.
Complement plus
Right.
1.
Add 1
First,
to 1's complement.
correct. Add 1
Add
to
1
1's.
to 1's complement.
2's complement of a number is obtained by adding 1 to the 1's complement of that number. So what is the answer for this? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So our result is 0110.
Yes, sir.
These are some of the basic examples. Next, can anyone represent minus 45 in terms of 2's complement? So directly also you can do this. I told you some shortcut trick. Can anyone repeat it once again? 45 directly I want to write. 8, 16, 32, 64. So the positional weight should be greater than the given question irrespective of sign. And for last one, I'll take minus. So I'll put 1 here. For minus 64, how much should I add to get minus 45? For
19.
minus 64, I need to add 19. Okay. So 16, 17, 18 and 19. So rest all the positions should be 0. But here in the given question is asking you to write in terms of 8-bit. So how many bits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So should I put 1 here or 0 here? Yes.
1.
1.
Sir,
Why?
1 only,
Because
sir.
the given number is negative. That's the reason I
Negative.
need to put 1. If it is positive, you need to place 0. Okay, or else you can go with the general method. If you don't want this shortcut, first write the equivalent of plus 45, and for that result you perform 1's complement, and for that 1's complement try to add 1 so that you'll get the final result. Okay, what is the equivalent of 45? So 32 plus 16, how much?
48.
So I can't put 1 here, so I'll put 0. So 32 plus 8?
40.
40, 44, 45. It should be in terms of 8-bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits are there. So what is the padding here? Should I pad it with zeros or ones?
Zeros.
It should be
0,
zeros. Why?
sir.
Because the given question is
Positive.
positive. Next, for this you perform 1's complement.
1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0.
Next, add 1. This is our answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or else directly you can go with the shortcut trick. The shortcut trick is applicable only for 2's complement. Okay, don't do this one for 1's complement. Okay, do you want me to continue?
Okay, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next. At least we shall finish till this 2's complement subtraction. So that in the next class we can start with the classification of binary codes and all the gates concepts. Different
Okay,
kinds
sir.
of gates followed by conversions we have to do. So next concept is 2's complement arithmetic. So here what will be the difference? Please go through the statements and let me know. So earlier what we did in 1's complement arithmetic, we have taken 1's complement of subtrahend and added it to minuend.
Minuend.
Next, if any carry is generated, what we did? Suppose if carry is 1 is generated, we are adding it to least significant.
Bit.
Next, after this we are checking most significant bit sign. If it is 0, result is positive and it is in true binary form. If most significant bit is 1, our result is negative. So for that we need to take
1's
1's
complement.
complement of result and put minus sign before the result. Now see what's happening in 2's complement arithmetic. Only few changes will be there. Here add, this is the change, add 2's complement of the subtrahend to the minuend. If there is carry out, means if any carry is generated, we can ignore it here. Whereas in case of 1's complement subtraction, we are adding it to least significant bit. Now here if any external carry is generated, we can ignore it. Next, look at the sign bit. If most significant bit is 0, the result is positive and it is in true binary form. Next, if most significant bit is 1, the result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. So if it is negative, we need to take 2's complement form and we need to put minus sign there. Okay, only difference is 1's complement and 2's complement, but here we are ignoring the carry. Rest every concept is same. So subtract 14 from 46 using 8-bit 2's complement form. Can anyone do this and confirm the answer?
Okay, sir.
Subtract 14 from 46. Subtract 14 from 46 using 2's complement here. So 46 minus 14. 46 minus 14. What is the binary equivalent of 46? So here 32 plus 16 will be 48. So I can't take. So 32 plus 8 is 40, 44, 46. So this should be in terms of 8-bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So equivalent of 46 is 00, 10, 111, 0. Next, either if you want, you can go for shortcut trick in order to write the equivalent of minus 14. 2 power 0 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Last one is minus 16. So minus 16 plus 2 will be minus 14. Rest everything will be zeros. And as this should be in terms of 8 bits, I'll pad it with ones. So 5 bits are there. 6, 7, 8. So this is the 2's complement of minus 14. So 111, 00, 10. So add a 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, 1 plus 1 is how much? Carry 1, sum
0,
0.
carry 1.
So here also 1 plus 1 is carry 1, sum 0. Carry 1, sum 0. Here carry 1, sum 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. Next 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Here 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Okay, so we are done with first step, adding 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend. Next, what is the second point? If any carry is generated, what I have to do? Should I add it to least significant bit or else can I ignore? If any carry is generated
Ignore,
in 2's
sir.
complement, so you can ignore this. So no need of this one. Next, third statement, check most significant bit sign. Is it 0 or 1?
0.
0 means the result is
True binary
positive
form.
and it is in true binary form. So no need to take any 2's complement of the result. So this is our final answer. So if you are having confusion whether it is right or wrong, what is 46 minus 14? How much? 46 minus 14. 6 minus 4 is 2.
32.
This is 32.
32.
So this result should be 32. So 2 power 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So result is correct. So this is the equivalent of 32. Next, do this. Add minus 75 to plus 26 using 8-bit 2's complement form.
Next stop. Thank you.
Add minus 75 to plus 26. So this can be written like this. It is 26 minus 75. Write the equivalent of 26 and write the 2's complement of 75 and try to add them. What is the equivalent of 26? So 16 plus 8 is 24, 26. It should be in terms of 8-bit. So padding with zeros as the given number is positive. Next, minus 75 in terms of 2's complement. So for minus 28, how much should I add to get minus 75? I need to add 53.
53.
So 32 plus 16, how much?
48.
48. 48. 48 plus 4, 52, 53. So this is the equivalent 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Try to add them. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, here 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, here it is 1, here it is 1. So is any carry generated?
No, sir.
Carry is generated. If no carry is generated, then our result is by default negative. Or else, if you want, you can compare this most significant bit also. If most significant bit is 1, our result is negative. Now, for result, you have to take 2's complement. That will be your final answer. So for this result, take 2's complement, means 1's complement plus 1. So this will be 0 0 1 1 4 zeros. So 1's complement followed by 1.
So we have to ignore 1 also.
If carry is generated, we need to ignore. But here any carry is not generated.
Okay.
Okay, this is nothing but 1's complement of result, and this is adding plus 1. So put minus sign to the result. So it is minus 49.
Minus 49.
So simple. If you are able to understand the statements properly, you can solve a number of problems. Next, note down this question and tell me the result tomorrow. 9 minus 4 in terms of 2's complement. Next. If you are okay, you can note down this one and tell me the result. We are done with binary subtraction using 1's complement followed by 2's complement, and we are done with all the different number system conversions also. So from the next class, we shall try to understand different binary codes followed by all the logic gates, K-maps, next rest of the concepts. So once if you are familiar with this, easily you will understand those concepts. Those who have missed the class, at least please go through the previous recordings.
So can you explain this first problem?
Which one?
First problem.
First one, 46 minus 19. Okay. So what is the equivalent of 46? So 32 plus 8 is 40, 44, 46. Okay. Next. Minus 19. 2's complement of minus 19. So for minus 32, how much should I add to get minus 19? 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So take this 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Add them. 0 plus 1 is 1. Here it is 1. Here 1 plus 1. How much? 1 plus 1 is
2.
Carry 1. Sum 0. Triple 1 means carry 1.
0.
1. Next, this
1.
is 1. Here carry 1. 0. If carry is generated in 2's complement, what I have to do?
Add carries to.
Ignore.
Ignore. In 2's complement, you have to ignore. In 1's complement, you have to add it to least significant bit. Next, check this MSB, most significant bit. If it is 0, result is positive or negative?
Positive, true binary.
Result is positive and it is in true binary form. So till here only it is enough. Suppose if there is most significant bit is 1, it is negative. So for the entire result, you have to take 2's complement. So our result is this one. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is our final answer. So similarly, you try to solve the rest of the problems. You can
So can you
expect.
share
Yeah, I'll share the PPT also. Let me download the attendance.